Hi everyone and welcome to Level 10 Gamers Tech Time with Dunphy. Today we will look at corrupt MP4 files from Bandicam. A few days ago I was using Bandicam to record a game footage, and I used the feature game recording mode, which is a great feature in Bandicam, but I did the fatal choice of not turning off the recording before I quit the game, which will result in a corrupt MP4 file. I have found some sort of way to fix it, but sometimes on some of the MP4 files the audio will not work properly. The video will be perfect, so that's no problem there, but on some files the audio file will be all chopped up and not working at all. So, but let's look at this. Let me remove Bandicam. Here is two test files that I've been doing. One is from a regular recording, and the other one is from a recording that I didn't stop before quitting the game, so it ends up in a corrupt MP4 file. So if you see, it will not play, no way. So how do we fix this? You could try this to see if it's gonna solve your problem, because sometimes, as I said, it will work 100%. The video version will work, trust me, that's no problem, but the audio might get a bit tricky. But let's see what we can make out of these two files. So what I need to do is I have added two tools in the description of this video. You need to download these first. One is a MP4 recovery tool that extracts and separates audio data and video data into two separate files, and the other tool is just a converter to combine these two afterwards. So what we need to do first is to go to CMD. I'm just gonna go to my C drive, and let me put that one down here. I hope you can see the text in my command prompt window. So let's go to, I've created the file repair folder here. It's the one you see in the background with my two files, one working file and one not working. Let's just see if this one works. Okay, this one works pretty well. Okay, so that's clear. What I need to do first is to use the extraction tool to extract the data from the corrupt file. So to do that, I will be using my working file to read up the header. Now this is important. You need to have the working file needs to be recorded in the exact same codec settings as the corrupt file. So hopefully you will remember what you did the recording in. So if I type in recovery tool and the working file, which is working and --acvv, well, that didn't go well. Okay, typos are a great thing to avoid. What I did was first we start. Okay, let me show you again. First thing I need to do is start the recovery tool, and I need to choose my working file, and I need avcc. Now what's that gonna do is make a copy of the header from the working file. Now, what I need to do now is to use those two information files to extract the audio data and video data from the not working files. So to do that, I'm still going to use the same application. I am going to choose my not working file, and I'm going to set a, say, recovery. You can call this whatever you want, but this is the important part. H264, that's for the video file, and recovery.aac, which is the audio file. Now you need to remember what codec you use to record the video in. So in this video that I made, I know that I used AAC codec. So when I do that, it's gonna sort the data into two separate files, as I said before. And this is a small file, so this will go relatively quick. So if you have a big file, I'm talking gigabytes per file, it's gonna take a while. So we can shut down that, and we can go into our folder again, and we'll see we have two recovery files. It should be basically the same file size as the not working file. So we have separated the video and audio. Now we start a tool called YAMB. You could choose to use the FFmpeg tool to do this, but I found out that YAMB do the job much easier, and also it's free, so that's a good thing. Now let's choose our recovered files and put them back into here. So when you have added these files, you simply choose a output file name. So I will call this file fixed, and next. And what it'll do, it will mount them back together. Yes, I want to quit jump. And I'm left with a file named fixed, and let's see if this is gonna work. Okay, it works like a charm. But as you can hear, the audio is pretty messed up, so I'm not sure why that happens. So that's how you fix a corrupt MP4 file. I guess you can use this method to extract not only from Bandicam but from other applications that's created a corrupt MP4 file. So if it works for you, please let me know in the comment section. And as I said, sometimes the audio will work, and sometimes it will be as you heard on this video. I have managed to get it to work, but this time it did not do that. So hopefully it will work for you. At least you get the video part out, if that's the most important thing for you. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.